we're going to be updating my Samsung Odyssey G6, and we come to the support page on Samsung website, and here we have my specific model number, and then we're going to download the firmware here. Then once you download the firmware, you're going to have a zip file and that has the image inside of it, and don't change any of the file names, but you're going to get the file and you're going to put it on a flash drive into the root directory. No folders, no nothing, just put it in the flash drive. My flash drive was an 8GB flash drive, and FAT32 was the format. And then we installed the flash drive into the service USB port on the back of the monitor. Then we're going to activate the joggle wheel, and we're going to go into the settings, pressing up, accept, and we're going to go into the support, press right, and go to the software update. I'm going to click it, and it's going to look for the software update. And you just wait. Shouldn't take too long. But it sees here that the software update, the software version of the device is later than the software version of the update file, meaning it's already been up to date and there really is no need to update it. But if you were behind on the firmware and needed to update, then you would accept it. And that's how you update the Samsung Odyssey G6.